Hey, what's going on, everybody? And today I'm going to be showing my toy gun collection. I've gotten 6 so far. I'm getting more. I'm gonna build up my collection more, but here's what I got so far, and let's get into the video. So first off, we got my hold on. All right, sorry. My Kimber 1911 with my mags. One mag broke. It's okay because I did lose some bullets. I don't know where they are. Don't mind that box. It's for my camera. And yeah. So here's my Kimber 1911. Try to get the mag out. Here I'm just putting the broken mag in it. You guys can see that. See this part right here broke off, so I can't put bullets in it anymore. Springs are really weak, and this thing for the bullets doesn't hold the bullets in. Yeah, and then oh yeah, my holster. Come on. And this one is not broken. It has bullets in it. Sorry about this, guys. All right, I just put the mag in. It's so hard to do this with one hand. Yeah, I wonder. I don't know if that's gonna work. If you guys can see me well, I don't know. Yeah, I'll just do this. But shooting. You can see the shells do fly out. That's my Kimber 1911. Moving on to my Beretta. This is my Adventure Force Gauntlet. I'm gonna try this to see how this works. I hope this works good. I hope you guys can see. But this is my Beretta. Forgot the model name. But has like a thermal type scope silencer that screws on and off. Take it off for right now. A light that does not work. I wish it would. A sight that works decently well, and it's like a thermal sight. That's pretty cool. And I will take this off. Ow. So, I actually just got this gun today. So, it's the shotgun. I just got these today, actually. Yeah, so. I love the blowback on this gun. It blows back so well. I love the camo of it. I like the slide. So, overall, pretty nice gun. Oh yeah, here's the other Adventure Force Gauntlet. As you guys can see, it hardly has any kick at all, so you can see it like blowback. It's alright. But here's my shotgun. It's shell ejecting. Here are the shotgun shells. Holds 3 at a time if you do it a certain way. So you take one and you insert it, and if you cock it back, it basically chambers it, if you get what I mean. And then you can load up 2 more in there, and boom, you have 3 shells. You shoot it, cock it back, eject. Hope you guys can see this a-okay. Hope you guys can like see good, cause I don't know, I'm just trying out this new angle, like I said. Oh, and it comes with this little belt holster, belt clip holster thing, whatever. Oh, and it comes with some goggles and binoculars that I don't really know how to use. I think I'm supposed to go like this or this. either way, they don't work. So I don't really care about these because they're just not worth it. And then I showed you this in my other Adventure Force gauntlet. Kind of my sister's gun, but it's okay. I gave this to her. So, but it's alright. Okay. But I want to see something. Could this light go on this tactical rail? No, this light's too big for that tactical rail. But yeah, that's that one. The other gauntlet, the Glock. And then this one to me looks like an AR-15. You can say whatever you want it is. I don't really care. To me, it just looks like an AR-15. Probably an M4A1, but it looks like an AR-15 to me. And this is also my sister's gun because I gave it to her and she likes them. So yeah, that is my gun collection, guys. If you want to see more videos, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you get notified every time I make a new video. And peace. Peace.